Hi, hello. Uh, Today, this video is about continuing our previous video on data validation, how to use data validation. In the previous video, we have learned on how to use list data validation and numbering and limiting the amount or the sum of all the column with uh, numbering format. Okay, now we have the third data validation format. It's quite a little bit uh, difficult because we have a unique format for corporate ID number right here. The format should be total of the characters should be 7, and the two first character uh, has to be letter, and the other 5, the last 5 should be number. Uh, of course, you can use usual or manually input manually like this: A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but the problem is if you are the operator or the users uh, have some typo, accidentally typing 9 or typing uh, space right there, it's still gonna recognize as the valid format by Excel because we still haven't put out the data validation format for this column. Okay, uh, for this we're going to do some formula first to identify the format of this column right here. Uh, First, we're going to need the total characters. Characters should be 7. Okay, and then two first characters should be letter. Last 5 characters be number. Okay. For the first condition, it's quite simple. We we can use the len function because the len function is returns the number of characters in text string. So the len for this, of course, is 7. But this is not quite the formula we want. We have to check if this formula is true of this character, the characters in this cell is true. Based on this condition, we have to add equals to 7. So the length of this the length of characters in the cell should be 7. Then it will return to true. The, the thing is, we're going to use this formula to add to our data validation formula in the custom format right here. I tell you later. Okay, that's the first condition. The second condition is two first characters should be letters. Here we can check the characters of the cell with this left. Left is return to specified number of characters from the start of the string. So we want to check the first two characters here, the two first characters. So the number of characters parameters right here, we put 2. Okay, this is the return the first two characters. Then we're going to check if these two characters are in fact letters. Excel doesn't have a function that can check if the characters are letters, but Excel can or provide a function that can check the characters is number or not. With this IsNumber function. IsNumber, the value is this. Close the brackets. So the IsNumber function check if the first two characters here are numbers. So the IsNumber function here return to value of false. We want to get the true value of this function right here. So we can put the negative form of this, not function, with change false to true or true to false. So basically this function, this formula right here is checking if the first two characters here are actually not a number or in short, we can check that these the first two characters in here are letters. Okay, that is the the, the second condition. The first condition is the last 5 should be number. We can check it with right, because we want to check from the last characters to move backward to the beginning of the numbers, right? Right is return to right function returns the specified number of characters from the end of the string. We choose this text. The number of characters we want to check is 5 numbers from the right, from the back. Now we want to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here is actually a number. It's easy because we have this function right here, IsNumber, and return to false, because this actually, if you press F9, right, check that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here is actually not a number but a string. So we have to convert it to value of a number by adding a value formula. I think that also should add right here in our two first character value, value. Okay. Now we need to add these three formula right here to our data validation in here. Click the cells and click on data validation. Below data tab, we're going to have the custom. Okay, this is the I forgot to notepad. Notepad. Going to copy this formula. Oh, sorry. Actually, I'm gonna use and logical. We have the data validation should are required to fulfill these three conditions. So we're going to use N function. First logical is this. The length of the characters should be 7. Then this is the second copy. Then this is the second condition, and the third condition is I want to check if this is okay. Okay, that should be now. So we want to okay copy this and put that uh, this formula. Copy first. Copy this data validation in cells. Click on custom. Paste the formula. We're going to put in message. Input message should be corporate ID. First characters are first. Letter 5. The number. Error alert. Wrong format. You wrong format of number. Click on OK. First, we're going to try S. 8. 1 to 8. Work if we put 5. That's fine. But if we put 7, that's okay. If we change to E, that's also wrong. If we change this first character in the numbers, oops. 6. Okay, there's something wrong in for the first characters. ST. Okay, that should be good. So you can copy this formula right here. Other cell. We're going to check the data validation for the second row. T4, okay. Okay, I'm going to GH9. Okay, but if we put it's wrong, but if we change this to YT, that's okay. Okay, I think that will be all for today's video. Quite a bit long video for time. I hope you enjoyed the video and found this video useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, share if you like the video or found the content of the video is useful. Thank you and have a nice day.